Hello, guys. My name is Chris Ibera. I am doing my final project on creating effective job descriptions for MailScripts Incorporated. The gauge of the description is what really lures in the organizational direction and how the company organizational chart is created. Employees want clear descriptions of their responsibilities and titles. Descriptions lead to determining promotions. Updated descriptions ascertain if the correct employee is in the role or recruiting is necessary for HR department and C-suite. The information can estimate to the company organization chart as well. One of two popular resources out there is utilizing the SHRM and the CIPD resources online. The SHRM offers sample job descriptions that any HR or human resources officer can simply access and either copy or integrate into a current job description. HR staff can formulate the description to create the leadership role. The resource can determine the optimal timing for implementing these staffing models based on MailScript's business strategies. So you can plug in a strategy, how to grow your sales team, and basically SHRM would be able to tell you when you need to hire and who you need to hire based on the timing of the strategy of implementing the sales role. The CIPD can create organizational postings and roles based on the organization's business model to deter turnover. Essentially, it uses technology to understand the role, who would fit the role, what kind of background, education, experience they might need, and simply create the organizational description of that role and also how to go out and hire for it. Simple online job description templates are super helpful. They can give detailed blueprints for job descriptions. They can create a draw for suitable candidates, all which helps create a healthy org chart and defines how the role is going to be integrated within the system itself and who reports to individual. The Udemy and Coursera platforms are another popular types of platforms. These platforms will guide HR to hire certain individuals based on testing models, based on applicants applying for the role, what kind of education experience, what kind of draw they have to the actual role posted, and if they have previous organizational leadership that fits that same model. The employee can also be given access to a promotable model where if they are pursuing an organizational change or a certain role, they can go through certain testing. They can also utilize a step ladder to figure out how to move into that role. And the employer can actually look at data to figure out if the organization needs that role to be implemented. Courses that align with the role and job descriptions help create clear leadership alignments by simply creating organizational charts. They also create the role and the description that goes within each individual in that organizational chart, making it clear to all employees within the organization. Why now? Well, these resources create a new framework for MailScripts to create a strong organizational description and roles within their organizational chart. Many corporations lack organizational charts, or org charts as also referred to it. They also lack the description or what the individual actually does within that entity or organization. These are simple frameworks for how an HR individual or C-level individual can go in and decipher what needs to be described inside that individual's role and how that individual reports all the way up to the C-level. Suitable talent is hard to find. Organizational descriptions and charts are a solid reminder of that individual's responsibility, who reports them, and who they report to ensure MailScripts is thriving. Again, organizational descriptions are vital to reducing turnover or internal promotion. So we want internal promotion, but we also want to reduce turnover. So having a description of responsibility and how that org chart flows to each individual within an organization promotes both. Thanks for listening and watching my video. I appreciate this course and everything that's offered. Thank you.